Hello everybody, in this video we're going to be solving dancing from HackTheBox. So let's start. First you need to connect to your VPN, so you can connect to your VPN easily by sudo open VPN and then dropping the location of the OpenVPN file. I'm already connected, so I won't waste much of your time. And after connecting the VPN, it should be green here for after some time. Okay, now I'll come to dancing and spawn the machine. So I've already spawned the dancing machine. Okay, anyways, we can start now. So let me just copy the IP right here and we can then ping the IP. So ping. Okay, we have pinged it. Okay, and it's working, you guys can see. First question, what does the three-letter acronym SMB stands for? So it's server message block. SMB stands for server message block. And the second question, what port does SMB use to operate at? So SMB nowadays operated 445, I believe. Yeah, it's 445. But previously SMB used to operate at 139, but nowadays it's 445. So the answer is 445. Anyways, the third question is, what is the name of service for port 445? So it's asking us to do an nmap scan, and it's asking for a service name. So we know if we want to scan for a service on nmap, we need to type the nmap sv tag for service version, and this is the IP. So I'll paste it and it should be starting. And also, if you want to see the progress of your nmap scan, press enter and it will show you how much nmap scan is done. So like if you're impatient like me and you want to know how much time is left, you can use this. Okay, so I'll press enter again and it should show me how much is completed. So okay, when it show like this, like 0.00, just know that it's like almost completed, like, and it's like 10 seconds remaining. So anyways, our nmap scan is completed. We can like look, this port is open, this port is open, and this port is open. So we know port 445 is for SMB, and this is a service Microsoft-DS running on this port. Okay, so the answer to this is Microsoft-DS. Okay, what is a flag or switch we can use with SMB client utility to list all the shares in dancing? So this is -L, and previously we know in the app box, this is fawn. We learned that if you want to interact with FTP protocol, you need the FTP client, and same way here, if you want to interact with SMB, you need the SMB client. So I'll type SMB client -H, and this is a help menu. So I'm sorry, this is an unknown option, but if you just type SMB client, it's the help menu right here, and it will show you every command in SMB and how it all works and everything. And if you look here closely, there will be -L option somewhere, which is used for listing all the shares on the on dancing or on a IP address with SMB open. So this is -L, and we can practically try it by SMB client -L, and it's asking for my personal password, so I'll type it. And these are all the shares: admin C, IPC dollar, and work shares. Anyways, how many shares are there on SM dancing? So there are 4 shares. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. The next question is, what is the name of the share we are able to access in the end with a blank password? So the hint here is the share name ends with S, and the only share here which has name S at the end is work shares, So we can just enter work shares and it's the answer. The next question, what is a command we can use within the SMB client shell to download the files we find? So like if you wanted to download files on FTP client, it's same in SMB client, and it's get command, So if you want to download something, use get command. Okay, we have to submit the root flag now. So now we know our work share, we can get inside work share with the blank password using SMB client. So let's do that. I'll clear SMB client. So now SMB client has a very, I would say, a weird syntax, but it's SMB client -- this forward, I think, is / and then paste in the IP address -- work shares, and you can press enter and enter your own password, personal password, and it should be connected. So we are in the machine now, and we can type ls and it will list all the files. So there are two files, amy.j, james.p. I can go to cd amy.j ls, and there is this file. So let me download it. Right, worknotes.txt. okay, it has downloaded. Now I can go back by cd space dot dot ls cd james.p. so we are in this folder, james.p. I will list all the files. I will get flag.txt, and we have the flag.txt now in our own computer. And now you can press ctrl plus c to exit this session, and you can cat worknotes.txt. so this is the work note, and this is basically nothing. This is not the required flag. So now we can cat flag.txt, and this is the flag. So copy it, and you can paste it. I'm sorry, you can paste it here, here, and this is the user flag, and you will get the machine. Okay, so anyways, this was this for today video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. And by the way, I'm not English native, so my English is not very good. So I hope you guys learned something new. I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.